Top 5 AI Tools for Finance You Must Know in 2025. In the rapidly evolving world of finance, staying ahead means embracing the latest technology, especially artificial intelligence. Over the past 2 years, a surge of new AI tools has transformed how finance professionals operate, helping save countless hours and elevate the quality of work. To help you navigate this exciting landscape, here's a comprehensive guide to the top 5 AI finance tools you absolutely need to know about in 2025. These tools have been personally tested and vetted to ensure they deliver real value. Whether you're a CFO, financial analyst, accountant, or startup founder, integrating these AI solutions into your workflow can revolutionize your daily operations and decision-making. 1. Zebra AI, Automated Reporting Made Simple. Zebra AI is a standout tool designed to simplify financial reporting. Imagine just uploading an Excel file and instantly receiving management-ready reports. Zebra AI is the sister product of Zebra BI, known for automating reports with IBCS standards. What makes Zebra AI exceptional is its ability not only to generate detailed reports but also to create commentaries that explain the data visualizations for you. This tool is a must-try for finance professionals looking to automate and enhance their reporting processes. 2. BigData.com, Deep Financial Analysis with Institutional Data. For those focused on investment and stock analysis, BigData.com offers a powerful AI-driven platform. It combines the ease of chatbot interaction with access to institutional quality data provided by Rabbitback, a company with 20 years of experience serving investment firms. Users can create watch lists, generate insightful graphs, and receive live analysis, saving significant time and improving the quality of financial insights. Whether preparing management reports or making investment decisions, BigData.com is an invaluable tool. 3. Moss, Smarter Expense Management. Moss leverages AI to revolutionize expense management by automatically recognizing and categorizing items on invoices and receipts. Its AI capabilities extend to automating accounting allocations for employee spend, ensuring expenses are booked correctly. This not only streamlines bookkeeping but also reduces errors and frees up valuable time for finance teams. 4. FloQast, Automate Your Finance Close Process. Finance teams often dread month-end close processes. They're time-consuming, repetitive, and ripe for error. FloQast changes all that. In 2025, FloQast is a go-to AI solution for accounting departments that want to streamline their financial close and consolidation workflows. The platform automates reconciliations, manages checklists, and ensures that everything is on track for a smooth month-end close. The most exciting feature? You can describe a recurring journal entry in plain English, like monthly rent for HQ office, and FloQast's AI will automatically generate the correct entry, account it properly, and schedule it. It even handles intercompany eliminations and tracks variance explanations with historical data comparisons. It acts almost like a smart assistant for your finance team, reminding users about missing documents, inconsistencies, or timeline delays. Key features: AI-driven reconciliations and variance analysis, smart checklists and close monitoring, NLP-based journal entry automation, role-based collaboration for large teams. For companies with complex operations or multiple entities, FloQast makes financial closing significantly more efficient and less stressful. 5. Runway, Financial Planning Made Fun and Accessible. Finance and fun rarely go together, but Runway is changing that. In 2025, it emerges as one of the most user-friendly financial planning tools, especially for startups and small businesses. Inspired by platforms like Notion and Airtable, Runway offers a visual and collaborative approach to financial modeling. Its AI helps users create and update cash flow projections, forecast revenue, and perform scenario planning without the need for advanced Excel skills. Let's say you're a founder planning to launch a new product. Runway helps you model different revenue and cost scenarios, like what happens if our CAC increases by 20%? Or how does a 10% increase in conversion rate affect profits? The platform instantly adjusts your forecasts and even generates investor-ready narratives. What sets Runway apart is its cross-department usability. Marketing, sales, and operations can all collaborate on the platform, making financial planning a more integrated business function rather than something siloed within finance. Key features: intuitive, visual modeling interface, AI-assisted forecasting and scenario planning, real-time narrative generation, ideal for founders, CFOs, and department heads. Whether you're preparing for a funding round or managing hypergrowth, Runway makes financial planning smoother, smarter, and a bit more fun. Conclusion and final thoughts. The AI revolution in finance is no longer a prediction, it's here. The tools we've explored in this video are not just automating tasks, they're enhancing the strategic capabilities of finance teams across the globe. From simplifying reporting with Zebra AI to reimagining financial planning with Runway, these platforms offer game-changing benefits. If you're serious about leveling up your finance game in 2025, now is the time to adopt AI. These tools will not only save you time and reduce human error, but they will also empower you to make faster, smarter, and more informed decisions. Don't get left behind. Embrace AI, experiment with these tools, and transform how you manage money, data, and strategy. If you found this guide helpful, hit the subscribe button, like the video, and let us know in the comments which tool you're most excited to try.